Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review on this advent calendar from Kikki.K. I'm also comparing it to last year. Is it worth it? Is it not? So let's just get started. So it's an advent calendar counting down obviously the days till Christmas, and each day contains a cute eraser and a gratitude prompt. So this is very cute. The packaging has changed a little bit since last year. It looks even better. My only concern last year was that I wasn't sure whether or not each kit or each advent calendar had a different order of where the figures landed, because the 24th and 25th were very random items. It was like a tape dispenser or like a pair of scissors, whereas earlier in the month there were cuter like erasers. So I wasn't sure, and in this case, once again, I'm not really sure whether that's planned or not, or if it's just randomized, because you're gonna see later in this video, but the 24th and the 25th are very random, almost silly items compared to other erasers that we got earlier in the month. Like there's some really cute erasers that aren't holiday themed, like the ping pong ones or the little sunglasses, but then there's others that just don't make sense for like getting it on the 24th or the 25th. So I'm thinking this is probably randomized, but the description on their website isn't very clear. It doesn't really say much other than you're gonna get an assortment of erasers. So my guess is that it's just random, and what you get is what you get, which is fine. It doesn't necessarily have to be holiday themed. It's just kind of disappointing when you open up the last two, which are the two most important days of the month, and they're just kind of uglier erasers, or not ugly, but like more like mundane everyday type items. So that was the only thing that I was kind of thinking about when it comes to this advent calendar, but otherwise I really like it. I think it's really unique. I think these make really good gifts. That's what I did last year. I just handed out all of these cute little boxes to people, and I think it went pretty well. So overall, I am happy with it. It's just something to keep in mind, that you never know what you're gonna get, and sometimes the most important days are really random household items. So if you like this video, let me know down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. If you made it to the end, I really appreciate it. And yeah, I will see you guys soon with another video. Don't forget to check out my previous videos. I've been uploading a little bit more often this month, and I'm very excited for what's to come. So bye guys.